in favor of Boleros. Change by 4.
Grabe. Grabe kayo kay Eman.
Yan ang pinaka-puti dyan.
Model ng glutathione.
Number 22, binigay kay number. Anong namin yan? Number, rebound. Makuha na ng Boleros. Bulabay. Bulabay. Sila na mamasahan. Tawan. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 19, number 14 short, number basket 2 points. De La Cruz, kita mana-mana, sehingga ini. Erbolabio dengan nama-nama dari De La Cruz. Pasang Exaldo, dengan number 22 de la derecha, basket 2 points. Number 17, dengan De La Cruz. Remaining 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 17, to the Sugar. Rebound, sabi ka na umanana. Bansat. Number 16. Nagaw ni De La Cruz. Erbolabio. 3 on 3. Number 17, 3 points. Number 29, nagbawa ng bola. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 22. Balik kay number. Ano naman yan? Number, 3 points. Bala. Rebound ni number 13. Binigay De La Cruz. De La Cruz. 3 and 2. Behind 2 pasa. Remaining 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Two minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Number 22, binigay kay. Ano naman nun? Number, wala, ang rebound. Kanino rebound? Number 19, wala pa rin. Rebound na, Boleros. Time remaining 2 minutes and 35 seconds. De La Cruz. Binigay kay number 72 minutes and rebound. Nakakuha na ng shot. Number 22. Velasco. Velasco nagana papasahan. Velasco short jumper basket 2 points. Number 22, Velasco. Score natin 21-18. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Nakalawa na ng bad shot. Binigay ulit kay Velasco. Pero nabitawan. 2 minutes. Erbolabio sidestep. Erbolabio 2 points. Nakakuha ulit ng Boleros. Time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds. De La Cruz, bigay kay number. Number 15. Page 21 in favor of Boleros. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Shot clock 15 seconds. Number 19, tumira ng 3. No good. Air ball. 15, binigay ng Erbolabio. Erbolabio na mga ulit. Erbolabio, tumalit-diretso na. Pero sobra, tira. Big ball. Shot clock at 22 seconds. Time remaining 1 minute and 14 seconds. Number 22 points. Change favor ulit. Lamang na ang Bacha. Remaining 1 minute. Number 17, 15 seconds to shoot. Basket, foul. Basket comes for number 17, Paul, number 19. Number 19 of Bansan. First personal foul. Second team foul for Bansan, Exaldo. Sabi nga nakuha na na. 49 seconds remaining. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Ah!
Number 29, wala. Sabi nga nakuha. Si number 17. Number 17. Binigay niya number 6. Diretso. 30 seconds remaining. 29, Rizales. Binigay kay number 14. No good, sumatpal. Number 14, meron may foul. Who's foul, ref? Foul on number 13. That is your first personal foul, third team foul para sa Boleros. 21 seconds remaining time. Trigger the first attempt. Second attempt para kay number 14. Basket, from the ball ang ating nalaan, 24 all. 20 seconds remaining. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Foul on number 19. That is your second personal foul. Third team foul sa Bacha and Soto. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds.
Sira.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. At the end of the first quarter, on Cornade, 27-24 for your Bacha X Soto.
Yakats! Sino tayo mo? Wala tayo mo. Change 5. Change 5.
Back in the moment. De La Cruz nagbaba ng bola. De La Cruz. Binigay kay number. Number 17. Binigay kay Malayo. 10 seconds shot. Kay Malayo Kimo. Kay Malayo Kumira. Basket si Boy. Number 2. Kay Malayo. Shot clock at 15 seconds. Number 19. Tumira ng 3. Number 19. Shot clock 14 seconds. And wala. Ang pinga naman ng Bacha. Bacha nagmamadali. Basket 3 points. De La Cruz. Number 19. Binigay kay number 29. Tumira din ang 3. Stagger. Rebound na ng Boleros. Number 15. Binigay kay Herbolario. Number 6. Herbolario diretso. Aking na nakuha. Ang Bacha. 3 minutes and 5. Stagger. Number 17. Basket 2 points. Number 17. 5 remaining. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 29, side step, bigay number 19, tumira na naman ang press. Number 19. 5 remaining, 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Shot clock at 15 seconds. De La Cruz, bigay ang basahan, binigay kay number 17. 10 seconds to shoot, bigay naman ito ng press. Turner, rebound. Nakakuha na nga, Bacha at Esalo, nakakuha ng 15, binigay kay number 21, Rizales, tumira ng 3, no good. Wala pa rin, nakakuha na ng Boleros, 2 minutes and 10 seconds, De La Cruz tumira, basket 3 points. Basket, wala, 2 minutes. Herbolario, no good. Rebound. Bola dapat daw kita eh. Hindi nakita. Time remaining 1 minute 45. Number 15. Number 19. Grabe. Ang haba din ah. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. One minute and 20. Basketball is number 13.
Yeah, lang to may
Number 19, Manila guy. Number 20. Short. 1 minute. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 19, wala. 55 seconds. Number 19, short number. Number 17, 40 seconds remaining. No good. Iba El Palacio. El Palacio. Number 5, Pelagur. 30 seconds. Shot clock at 14 seconds. El Palacio ito ang bibigay ng 15. So, basta lang inabot. Remaining 27 seconds. 19. 19 mo natin. Number 19. No good. Sabi nga nakuha ni. Nakuha ng Polaras. 20 seconds. El Palacio. El Palacio. Pinasa. 10 seconds remaining time. Number 29. 5 seconds. Passer na lang pabalik ni 2. At the end of the second quarter, Spartanes 52-42 for goal. Outside remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Delito. Delito pa rin may hawak ng bola. Delito mo lang ang bola. Armas bola na Pacha. Shot clock at 14 seconds. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. And seconds to shoot. Kumbaga, sinigay number 5. Number 5, no good. Taping na nakuha ni number 29. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 23 na gumana bola. Balance now. Good block, balikin number 23. Sinigay kay Reyes. Reyes tumira ng Reyes. No good. Airball. Out of bounds. Bola na now. Last 2 minutes. Remaining 1 minute and 55. Derico. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pumbalan. Pumbalan. Out of bounds. Bola na. Bola na Bacha. Time remaining 1 minute 47. Shot clock 11 seconds. Busy lang po tayo. Warning on number 31 and number 16. Cover ball. Cover ball on number 16. Tumpagan and number 31. Boleros. Keep long. Shot clock 11 seconds. Tumpagan. Bring a shot of a foul. Number 31, keep long. Bonus free throw para kay number 16. Tumpagan.
Nakaupo na kayo na sa ilalim, naglalaban na eh.
Sino?
Bonus free throw. Okay. Tumpagan mo rin. Tumpagan mo lang. Kasi ka na bola na Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Ball on number 3. 23. Warning for penalty. Time remaining 1 minute 40. First attempt, wala. Second attempt para rin yung pataas. Basket. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Score natin 95-79 in favor of bad shot. Luna, binigay kay Romualdo. Binigay kay Kitlong. Kitlong tumira ng tres. No good. Rebound dito dito. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Rizare. Rizare Matame. Rizare basket. 2 points. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Number 23, binigay kay Romualdo. Romualdo Bex. Romualdo Anax. Trapas kay Kitlong. Basket 2 points. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. One minute. Shot clock at 15 seconds. Number 29. Balik kay number 9. Tumira ng tres. Cover. Rebound na kuha ni number 29. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Binigay kay 29. 29. Wala. Nakapila na kuha ni number 23. 45 seconds. Number 23. Tumira ng tres. 39 seconds. Number 16. 30 seconds remaining. Rizale. Binigay dito. Pero ito may pasa. Nakuha ni Romualdo. Romualdo breakaway. Basket 3 points. Romualdo. Shot clock is off 2 tayo. 21 seconds.
Okay ba dyan?
Ball number 23. Substitution. Number 31 out. 15. Penalty. Pelito to reverse. Basket.
Okay lang.
Time remaining 8.6 seconds. Second. Wala. Tumima kay Edeluna. Edeluna binigay kay Romualdo. Romualdo. Tumira 3 seconds remaining. No good. At the end of the game, our final score is 98-88 for your Boston Expo.